Title of the Alphabet Adventure in Alphabetia, Chapter 1. The mysterious map. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, a curious girl named Lily found a glowing map under her pillow. It showed a magical land called Alphabetia, where all the letters of the alphabet lived. The map whispered, "Help us, Lily. The letters are hiding, and without them, words are disappearing." Lily grabbed her backpack and followed the map to a shimmering portal behind her bookshelf. Whoosh! She tumbled into Alphabetia, a land of rainbow rivers, talking trees, and a very worried Queen Q wearing a quilted crown. "Welcome, Lily," said Queen Q. "The naughty letter goblins scattered our alphabet friends. Can you find them all? Start with letters AF in the forest of Chapter 2. The friendly letters." Lily skipped into the forest, where she heard giggles. Behind a bush, she spotted a shape like an apple arch. "Trace my shape in the air," said Lily, drew a triangle and a line, and poof, I floated into her backpack. Next, be bounced by like a bouncy ball. Say Bubba Butterfly with me. Beach. Lily didn't be hopped into her bag. She met C, curled up like a sleepy cat, D drumming on a log, E eating enormous eggs, and F flapping like a flamingo. Each letter taught Lily their sound and shape. She traced, sang, and laughed as they joined her quest. Chapter 3. The playful letters. A glittering bridge led Lily to the Mountain of Murmurs. There, G giggled while tickling a goat. H hummed a happy tune, and I pretended to be an ice cream cone. "Jump with me," shouted J, the juggling jellyfish. Lily jumped 10 times, shouting, "Ja-ja-jump!" Then she found K flying a kite, L licking a lollipop, and M munching muffins. "May," said Lily, copying M's sound. The letters danced into her backpack. Chapter 4. The noisy letters. In the cave of echoes, lettuce and T were having a party, and nibbled nuts. O rolled like a wheel, and P painted polka dots. Q whispered, "Quick!" quietly cast the letter goblin. R roared like a lioness, slithered like a snake, and T tapped a tambourine. Lily practiced their sounds. R-R-R-R-S, tap, tap. Chapter 5. The tricky letter. Finally, Lily reached the castle of Zips. U twirled an umbrella, V played violin, and W waddled like a walrus. "X marks the spot," shouted X, pointing to a treasure chest. Inside, Y yawned like a sleepy yak, and Z zipped around like a zealous zebra. "Gotcha!" Lily laughed, catching the sneaky letter goblin who'd hidden Z. "Without letters, there's no fun," the goblin pouted. "The happy ending!" Lily gathered all 26 letters in her backpack. Queen Q cheered. "You saved Alphabetia! Now, let's spell!" "Thank you!" The letters glowed, forming the words in the sky. Whoosh! Lily returned home, her mind buzzing with letters. From then on, she taught her friends the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, chorus to V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs, won't you sing along with me? And they all lived alphabetically ever after. The end.